Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the BMW M Performance Track Fix for GoPro cameras. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $80. Now you can also order this from any BMW dealer. Now this will fit your BMW M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, your M760, your X5M, and your X6M. Now for non-M cars, this is also going to fit because all of the tow hitches are pretty much the same size. Now on a side note, if you don't have a BMW and you still want to get some nice driving footage, you can also get the GoPro suction mount. Now this is going to run you $40. I'll drop the link for this too. Alright, so let's check this out. Now this is a special request video. Shout out to everybody in my car clubs, Motorceps, Higher Motorsports, Empire Boys. A lot of people have been asking me to check this out, so let's check it out. The BMW M Performance Track Fix for GoPro cameras. Now this is an original BMW accessory, powered by M. Got your German in the back. Alright, so let's grab a little unboxing knife. Check this out. Here come the white shoes. Right on schedule. Shout out to White Shoes. Alright, so here we go. Wow. Okay. Nice white box. Giggity. Here we go. Alright. Let's slide. Okay, now check this out. You got a big book. Usual books and shit. Now this is a real book. This is a manual. It's crazy. This should be a self-explanatory product, but let's see. Okay, so now here's how this is going to work. All right, Zerks, chill. You're going to unscrew, you're going to screw this into your tow hitch. All right, so you can use this in the front or the back. Zerks, fall back a little bit. Now let's see how this works. All right, so you can spin this around. Pretty self-explanatory. Now this does look dope. Got your M branding on it. Track use only. All right, we'll pretend we didn't see that. All right, let's see now. Does this rotate at all? Yep, this does rotate. All right, so let me grab a GoPro camera. I'll slap this on and we'll see how the fitment looks. All right, so I got the GoPro camera, so let me show you how to set this up. Now it comes with this tool. You're gonna need that. So first thing you wanna do is loosen up the torque screws, and this will be flexible. Now you screw this into your tow hitch, use that same tool to tighten it up. Once it's fully tightened, tighten back the torque screws and you're good to go. Now this rotates a full 360 degrees and you got your degree counter. Now to adjust your GoPro camera, use that little wheel right there. You can lean it forward or backwards. Simple and straightforward. Now real quick, let me show you the suction mount. All right, let me pop this one open real quick and see if there's anything different from the old one. Let me show you what you get inside real quick for $40. All right, there's your mount. Okay, now this is a nice little connection piece right here. And you get your J-hook. Exactly the same as the last one. Now this is what I use to get the interior footage. You know, your GoPro cameras have upside down mode. Stick this on the sunroof, let the camera face you, and it's gonna be a good shot. All right, but instead of talking about it, let's be about it. So I'm going to take it outside, I'll set it up, and we'll capture a little footage. Talk amongst yourselves.